Let's turn now to Michael from Morris. Michael, we appreciate you calling tonight. How can we help?
Yes, hey, I was just wondering, ran into some tough times this year and got behind on some mortgage payments, and I was wanting to know how strong the COVID forbearance plan is compared to going through a debtor's court, and also if I was late on two payments, which have not been called a payment before I entered into the forbearance plan. And anyway, say I come up with the money by the end of the forbearance plan, would I need to go speak to a debtor's lawyer, foreclosure, bankruptcy lawyer? And also got some credit cards behind as well. I was wondering if they could do anything, put a lien towards the house for foreclosure. I'm just trying to see all my options here.
Sir, I hear this every day. You're behind on this, behind on that. The credit card companies are probably calling you night and day because they can do the least. The mortgage company sounds like they're trying to work with you, okay? If you can get your mortgage put back together where it's not a mess and they're willing to continue to take payments, basically they've caught it up or put something at the end, you could bankrupt on the credit card companies and they just go away, more than likely if you qualify. If you wanted to file debtor's court, if you just couldn't come up with all the money do the forbearance or whatever you're behind, you could put what you're behind in debtor's court, which is different than bankruptcy. You could put what you're behind in debtor's court, pay it back over 5 years, and based on your income and other criteria, your credit cards would also either be put in there or you could actually bankrupt on them while you're in debtor's court. It's a little complicated. That's why you need to talk to a bankruptcy lawyer. Most of them, I will talk to you free of charge. I do a lot of telephone calls over the past year, Zoom calls, things like that. But if you want to come to my office, I'd be happy to meet with you or call me.